Imagine a world where machines can think like humans. This idea isn't just science fiction, it's called artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is a branch of computer science focused on creating intelligent systems. These systems can learn from experiences, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks usually requiring human intelligence. First, let's break down what AI really means. At its essence, AI refers to systems that mimic human cognitive functions. They can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on information. Next, we can categorize AI into two main types. Narrow AI is designed for specific tasks, like voice assistants or recommendation systems. General AI, which we're still developing, can understand and reason across a wide range of tasks. Now, let me explain how AI learns. It uses a process called machine learning. Machine learning involves feeding data to algorithms. These algorithms find patterns and improve their accuracy over time. For example, consider your favorite streaming service. It uses AI to suggest shows you might like. The more you watch, the better its recommendations become. This is machine learning in action. To summarize, AI is about creating machines that can learn and adapt. It has both narrow and general forms. Machine learning is key, helping systems improve through data. If you're intrigued, explore AI further. Research how it can change industries or even your daily life. Dive into the future of technology today.